Hi, hello, and welcome to the Learn with Lena sessions, episode 4. So, we had three scientific episodes, and today in episode 4, we are moving into a more general topic that is dream. So, dream is a succession of images or ideas or emotions, sensation that usually occur involuntarily in the mind. Involuntarily, the term involuntarily, I mean to say that we cannot control what we dream, and we get dream during certain part of our sleep. There are many theories regarding dream, but the content or the purpose of the dream is not still clearly sorted out. Dream interpretation, it is the attempt of drawing meaning from dreams and searching for a message from the dream. So the scientific study of dream is called oneirology. There are many theories, out of which some says that there is no connection between dream and our life, and the others says that there is a connection between dream and our life, which means it connects the past, present, and future. But we are not sure which is right or absolutely right. But one thing is very clear from all the researchers, that the people who were not allowed to dream, if they are restrained or restricted from dreaming, then the people had more tension, anxiety, depression, they lack concentration, lack of coordination in their sensory activities, tendency to even hallucinate. So from this results, we are coming to know that dream play a very major role in our health and well-being. We all could have wondered, why do I forget my dream when I'm waking up? It is the basic pattern of the dream that we don't remember 95% of the dream, because whatever happening in the dream, whatever captured in our mind during the dream is not processed or stored, needed for the memory formation to take place in our brain. So this is the reason why we forget most of the dream when we are waking up. Researchers found that men and women have different ideas of dream or different perspectives of dream. Like in some researchers, it is told that men dream mostly of physical activities, whereas women dream mostly of conversations than physical activity. This case is not always, but it is mentioned mostly. It is also told that women tend to have slightly longer dream, whereas men tend to have a more characterized dream. We may not remember dream, but everyone is approximated to have 3 to 6 dreams per night. It is thought that each dream lasts between 5 to 20 minutes. And as I already told you, about 95% of the dream are forgotten when we get out of the bed. So it is also found that dreaming can help you learn and develop long-term memories. So the dream you get is related to your studies, learning, etc. Blind people also dream with other sensory components compared with sighted people. So it tells that blind people also dream. Many people had the inventions what they dreamt of. Like, let me tell you an example in which a sewing machine inventor had his dream where he was forced to either invent the machine or die. But in the dream, he died without inventing, but in the real life, when he had woke up morning, he completely successfully completed the pattern of sewing machine. So next time when you dream, realize that it has a very good potential. So dreams are always good in maintaining our health or future. It can, if your dreams are very potential, it can take you to any heights, even to the height of the sky that you can't imagine now. So if you liked this part, press the like button. Never forget to comment the question that you have to ask Lena. Subscribe to Learn with Lena sessions and stay tuned for the episode 5. And until then, it's bye bye from Lena.